Hello, this is question 12 of the 2022-2023 NECO examination, and it says the score of students in a biology test in particular school are given as 12x, 12x, 15, 2x, 25, 12, 30, 15, 25, 12, 16, and 12. If the mean of the score is 18, find the value of 2x. Now, we've been given the mean to be 18. And to find mean, it means 12 plus x plus 15 plus 2x plus 25 plus 12 plus 30 plus 15 plus 25 plus 12 plus 16 plus 12 all over the total number, which is 12. It gives us 18. So when I did the calculation, that means summation fx, summation x over n equals 3x plus 174 over 12 equals 18. So when I did the cross multiplication, 3x plus 174 equals 12 multiplied by 18. So it is 3x plus 174 equals 216. 3x equals 216 minus 174. That's 3x equals 42. X equals 42 divided by 3, which gives me 14. So the first question is to find the value of 2x. So 2x means 2 into 14, and that gives us 28. So the next question is the mean of the deviation. Now to find the mean of the deviation, we must at first draw a table. So let us draw a table. Let's draw a table. So for x, I'm going to draw a frequency table. For now the value of our x, we have 12. Now recall that our x is 12, our x is 14, so let us write out our data. 12, x is 14, we have 15, we have 2x, which is 28, we have 25, we have 12, we have 30, we have 15, 25, we have 12, we have 6. So we have 12, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4. So the next is 14. That is 1. So 14 is 1. We have 15. That is 1, 2. So the next is, we also have 16. That is 1. So what next do we have? So we have 25. 1, 2. 25, that is 2. So we have 28, which is 1. And we have 30, which is 1. So the addition of this must give us the total number of the frequency. This is 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So that is 12. So the next, for the mean deviation, the next is to find the deviation from the mean of each of the variables. recall that our mean is said to be 18. X bar is 18. That means 4 minus, that is x minus 18, that is 12 minus 18, and that gives us minus 6. 14 minus 18 minus 4, 15 minus 18 minus 3, 16 minus 18 minus 2, 25 minus 18, that gives us 7. 27, 28 minus 18, that gives us 10. 30 minus 18, that gives us 12. So the next, for the mean deviation, we need absolute value of this. So that gives us the absolute value is 6, 4, 3, 2, 7, 10, and 12. So f of the absolute value, x minus x bar, so 4 multiplied by the x, that's 24, that's 4 multiplied by 6, 1 multiplied by 4, that's 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 2 multiplied by 7, 14, 1 multiplied by 10, 10, and 1 multiplied by 12, 12. So we need to add everything that we have here together. So when I add them together, I got 72. Now, for mean deviation, the formula is said to be summation f x minus x bar all over summation f. So this gives me 72 divided by 12, which is 60. Now the next question says is the standard deviation. For the standard deviation, we're going to find x minus x bar raised to power 2. So x minus x bar raised to power 2. So 6 minus 6 raised to power 2, that's 36. Minus 4 raised to power 2, that's 16. Minus 3 raised to power 2, that's 9. Minus 2 raised to power 2, that's 4. 7 raised to power 2, that's 49. 10 raised to power 2, that's 100. 12 raised to power 2, that's 144. So we have to look for the f of x minus x bar. So we are multiplying the frequency by this. So that is 4 multiplied by 36. So that gives me 144. 1 multiplied by 16, that's 16. 2 multiplied by 9, that's 18. 1 multiplied by 4, that's 4. 2 multiplied by 49, that's 98. 1 multiplied by 100. 1 multiplied by 144, that's 144. So we're going to add everything that we have here together as well. So when I did the calculation, it gives me 524. So our standard deviation is given as the square root of summation f, recall this is square, summation f x minus x bar raised to power 2 raised to power 2 all over summation f. They all share the square root. So 524 all divided by 12. So this gives me, when I did the calculation, I find the square root 6.608. So that is the solution to question 12 of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. For any question or any query, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel. And it is a series for other solutions within the series as regarding 2022-2023 NECO examination. Please, they are very much available on my channel. Please check them out. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time. Be good.